Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend that you watch the previous video where we talked about NATO and its role in the world. Now, let's test what you've learned. Was NATO created before World War II? No. NATO was created after World War II in 1949. Is NATO a treaty between only 2 countries? No. It started with 12 countries and now has more than 30 members. Does NATO mean North American Treaty Organization? No. It stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Did the United States help create NATO? Yes. The United States was one of the founding members. Is Article 5 about mutual defense between member countries? Yes, if one member is attacked, all members defend it. Was NATO created to promote music and art? No, it was created to promote peace, security, and military cooperation. Does NATO only focus on military action? No, NATO also works on cyber defense, disaster relief, and more. Has NATO remained the same size since it started? No, it has grown from 12 to over 30 member countries. Is NATO's main mission to invade other countries? No, its mission is to protect and defend its members. Can any country join NATO without meeting requirements? No. Countries must meet political and military standards to join. Remember to watch the video again to reinforce what you've learned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos in this exciting series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.